Hello guys, today I'm surviving the most epic and very most dangerous quest in Do Not Press the Button 7. This is Do Not Press the Button, and that's what you get. Yo, I said do not press the button. Yo, run away. You're running is you're gonna fall down, bro. Hey yo, walk to the other side. I didn't know I can survive this. Bruh, I didn't die. We're getting pulled in the void. Everyone jump. That's the number one thing when you're getting pulled in Roblox. Don't get hit by the balls. This is easy, bro. Just AFK next to the coins. I tried this before. And once you see a ball coming right next to you, it means panic. And that was the second rule you must not do. So everyone just die. Except for one player down there. This is sus. Actually like sus. Bruh. What a sucker. Yo, we got a new guest finally. But I was just AFK. Yo, guys, tell me how I died. Because I was actually doing something. And that was still sus. Bruh. Did the guest just drop? Bruh. I swear, did someone just jump? Yo, do not press the button is intense. Yo, you can talk on my channel, bro.
Hello guys,
Yo, new guest.
I'm a guest here. How are you doing?
Yo,
My name is Fresh.
yo, get it. Hello, Mallow. As in fresh, you mean?
Yes, my name is Fresh. How are you
Yo,
doing guys?
Mallow, you just dropped 1,000 meters.
What? I just
Everyone,
jumped 1,000 meters?
yo,
Okay guys, so tell me, what am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to be collecting these yellow stuffs?
it's do not push the button 7. Apparently, everyone's pressing the button, so crazy stuff happened. Bruh, did you just fall? Mario fall. No! Bruh, I just died and I fell. Bruh, run! Oh!
How can you die?
Yo, I told you to run from that silly. Where are the Flash? Just run. Where are the Flash?
Oh, the Flash took me, right? No, you can't catch me again.
I can't even see it. Now it's bruh. Do not press the button. Yo, I like the music. Run. Bro, was I just acting like a signal? Did I just survive a laser beam? Yo, I'm cooked. Nah, I was raw toast.
You're a what? The floor is lava.
The floor is lava, and apparently we stepped on lava.
Is this a dancing room?
No,
What is this?
bruh, everyone's freaking out. Yo, did we just... Bro. Mine coin. Mine coin. Mine coin. Oh wait, is that just Robux? I need Robux.
Where'd you get the Robux?
Robux. Please, bruh. Robux is gone.
Uh-oh.
Bruh,
Whoa.
bruh, do not get blown away. Just
No.
jump. Yo.
Oh, is that part? Oh, got blown away.
Bruh, do not get blown away. Can't you see it says do not get blown away? Now you just fell. Wait, get down quick. Bruh, get
Wow.
down. Get down.
How do I get down?
Bruh.
Oh, was it blown away?
No. There's laser beams coming. Just get down now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm almost gonna die. Just run.
Are we on top of a car?
Bruh, can't you see? Winners, me. Melky's me. Melky's literally my username in Roblox. Which the other side?
It says try to reach the other side.
No. I'm not reaching that side. It's too complicated.
It's too complicated.
It's complex. Laser. Laser. Duck. Laser. Duck. Bruh, what if I cheat? Yo, I can't cheat.
Where are you? Oh, you won? A winner? There's a winner?
Bruh, I didn't win. I just fell. Watch out for the legs. Bruh, why is it?
Happened?
Bruh. Yo!
Guys!
Almost everyone died. Don't get... Bruh, missile. Bruh, there's a missile.
Where?
Missile. Don't get hit by the missile.
Oh, stop running away.
Bruh. Missile.
Is it still there?
Bruh. Why does he have jump power? Yo, not me.
Wow.
Everyone's running from the missile. Missile stallion. Yo, run from the missile. Bruh, bro's getting chased by 300 missiles. Why the missile? Dancing dogs, bruh. Of course I have to record that. Bruh.
Oh,
Everyone
my God.
record this. I'm recording this.
And where are you now?
Bruh, Milo, I see you. Milo.
You see him? Oh, yeah, there you are. Is that you?
Yo, why did you steal a
No, that's
YouTuber's
not
name?
you.
Why did you steal a YouTuber's name?
Oh, there you are. See you now. Oh, I just fell down.
Bruh, why you getting... Bruh, I'm a Sigma, I try to jump. No, do not fall when the platforms are literally red. Winners, that's me. I'm kidding.
Oh,
That's not my user.
Oh, I thought I fell down. Everyone fell down.
No one clicked the button.
Now, who are all these people?
Bruh.
How come I don't have a Sonic also?
Banana. Next to banana.
Who's that shouting?
A banana. Next to a banana.
I literally died.
I don't know how you died. A banana. Next to a banana. I can't use the motion cushion. Bruh. Survive Huggy Wuggy.
I didn't survive Huggy Wuggy. Look what's happening.
Huggy Wuggy.
Is he a scary monster? Huggy Wuggy?
Bruh, run from Huggy Wuggy. survive Huggy Wuggy. Huggy Wuggy's after me. Oh, Huggy Wuggy got me. Bruh, dodge the lasers. God. Start jumping, bruh. Jump. What the? Bruh.
This thing wants to kill us.
Bruh, watch out for the wall. Bruh, don't get slapped by a silly wall.
Where is the wall?
Bruh, someone's gonna get slapped. Bruh. How did you die? Yo. Ah!
You died.
Space rocket. Oh. Bruh. It's not good. Bruh. Oh, God. Everyone on that rocket would literally die. Oh, yes. My favorite thing in the game.
Okay, guys, I was the guest on your guys' show. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yo.
I'll be joining you back in 2 minutes.
God.
Thank you, guys.
Cutterfly. This is actually crazy. Bye, Mallow. Mallow got disconnected due to a serious issue. He got boomed by a rocket. Oh! Avoid lasers. I'm a Sigma. I don't take damage. Yo, I'm about to die, bro. Can't you see my health? Survive, Huggy Wuggy. Oh no, not again. Run. Huggy Wuggy. Stop it. Bruh, jumping is the one thing. Ow! That hurt. Don't do that. Ah! Last one standing. Bruh, I'm so good at last one standing. Yeah! Bruh. Pow! Yo, I almost died. That was so crazy. Yo, bruh. Yeah. Wait. Think quick. Bruh, think quick. Hurry to the... Is that even how you spell hurry? Bruh, everyone... Yo. Why is there a fan? Bruh, not like an actual fan watching. A actual fan, bruh. But I'm still pretty sure there's actually fans. Like actual humans watching. Right? Like actual fans who already subscribed.
You forgot to eat like this last.
Yo. Bruh, I was distracted by Mallow. Bruh, not again. I'm gonna die. No music. Oh, God. Just run from the laser. Bruh, how was I so dumb to fall off the edge? That was dirty. Me too. Oh, I know what to do. Just be in the safe zone. This is a safe zone. Can you see that above me? It's a safe zone. I see people falling from here, so that's what the safe zone is. Yo, pets. Bro, I have a pet cat. Bro, cat. Why are you being so dramatically rolling? Bro. Is that even a cat who rolls? Bro, that's not a cat. Bro, so close, man. No, I don't want to reach it. I'm just gonna stay in here. With me, bro. Shut grapple. Ouch! I was busy the shot. Wait, what did you say, man?
Let's be friends.
What do you mean, let's be friends? Can I hear you?
I love you.
Bruh.
Let's be friends. I need a hug.
Yo, if you actually need a hug, quiet. Yay, I'm the winner. Winners is me. I'm the winner. I just somehow hacked Mario. But I feel it actually slow. If I see it slow down into my eyes, it means everyone's in danger. Bruh, why did they make this so easy? Watcha? 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. How 6, 7. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. And I just escaped prison. That's how you escape prison. Thousand coins. Bruh, don't punch me. I'm opponents. Pizza. Bruh, pizza. Yo, I think that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe just like Milo said 24 hours ago. Bye bye. No, I'm not a Flash.